Show is over, close the storybook. There'll be no encore. And all the random ends that I have shook, well, they're reaching for the door. You watch their backs as they leave single file, but you stood stubborn, cheering all the while, and I know I can be colorful, and I know I can be gray, and I know this loser's living fortunate, and I know you will love me the way all will be and good for goodness sakes, but you wouldn't pantomime. You are more beautiful when you are awake than most are in a lifetime. Through the haze that is my memory, you stay for drama, yet you pay for a common day, and I know I can be colorful, and I know I can be gray, and I know this loser's living fortunate, and I know you will love me the way. Hey guys, this is Kevin York. Just felt like doing a little bit of acapella singing today. Just messing around on the computer. It's a nice cold, dark fall day here in Michigan, and felt like doing some singing. If you happen to stumble upon the video, feel free to leave a comment if you think I suck, if you think I'm good, whatever. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Take it easy.